So an expat is simply you're an Australian citizen or a permanent resident living, working or studying in another country. If you're an Australian citizen or a permanent resident working overseas, it's a lot easier to get a loan in comparison to if you're a self-employed worker. So there is still a fair few lenders out there that lend to expats. You know, your big four lenders actually lend to expats as well, but it's not always one bank that fits all. Different lenders actually have different policies in certain type of currencies they accept. Good day everyone, it's your host Tony here and thanks for joining me on another episode of the Mortgage Chat. And today, let's talk about expat lending. So first, let's establish who is considered an expat. So an expat is simply you're an Australian citizen or a permanent resident living, working or studying in another country. Can you borrow if you're living abroad? If you're an Australian citizen or a permanent resident working overseas, and you are a PAYG equivalent, yes, it's a lot easier to get a loan in comparison to if you're a self-employed worker, okay? But if you're not a permanent resident or Australian citizen and if you're trying to get a loan in Australia, it's going to be very, very hard. It's not something that we do because it's just too complex. However, if you're working as a PAYG abroad, call it USA or Hong Kong or Singapore, etc., but you're still getting paid Australian dollars and you're still under the Australian tax system, you can still be considered as Australian borrower rather than an expat borrower. Who are your typical expat borrowers? Okay, so the last few years we have came across a lot of expat borrowers in various industries, in various positions, right? So, you know, they can range from top executives that's working in the aircraft industry, mining, engineering, or even the shipping industry. We've also came across fintech companies, you know, or people working in Amazon or Google, or finance industry. You know, they could be working in consumer banks, institutional or investment banks. And last but not least, very common is actually pilots. There's still a few people out there that think only your top executives is able to get an expat loan and get money and get lending from Australian lenders. But that's actually not the case. We actually still have normal individual workers that's working overseas that's still getting loans to invest in Australia. What lenders lend to expats? So there is still a fair few lenders out there that lend to expats. You know, your big four lenders actually lend to expats as well. But it's not always one bank that fits all because it also depends on the currency you're being paid out, right? So, you know, for example, the Japanese yen might be great with Bank A, but it might be crap with Bank B, right? Where Bank A will only shave 20% discount on the yen, while Bank B might shave 50%. Or let's use the Chinese yuan, for example, right? So, you know, some major lenders may be happy to lend you if you're earning Chinese yuan, but another lender may not see that as a currency they want to lend to, all right? So it all depends on the bank's policy. It's not a one bank fits all policy, okay? So why would expats want to invest in Australia? There could be a few reasons, right? So these executives or these expats may want to move back to Australia in the next 5 or 10 years. So they want to purchase something now and knowing they got somewhere to live when they come back to Australia. And the Australian real estate is actually very strong, right? So that's why we attract a lot of overseas investors. But more importantly, the Australian housing market is actually quite strong and we're actually seen as the place to invest in from overseas investors, call it, you know, the US, call it Canada, call it Singapore, call it China, Hong Kong, etc. And because we've shown that we have good long-term growth, we've always been seen as a safe haven for investments for countries outside of Australia. What type of currency is accepted? So as I've said before, different lenders actually have different policies in certain type of currencies they accept. You know, like I said to you, the Japanese yen might be great for, call it CBA, but it might be crap for St. George or Westpac Group. Okay, or the Chinese yuan, it might be great with ANZ, for example, but it might be crap with NAB. Okay, so it's not always one bank that fits all, as I said before. But to be safe, the strongest currency and what most banks would accept are, you know, your US dollars, your euros, your pounds, right? Singaporean dollars, Canadian dollars, or Hong Kong dollars. They're probably your top tier currencies that most banks would accept. But, so like I said to you, some banks may shade those incomes by 20, 30, 40, or even 50% sometimes. But there are also a lot of currencies that lenders would accept, but this is too much to list. And that's what I'm saying to you. Different lenders have different policies, so it's always great and it's always useful if you have a mortgage broker that's able to help you out and find the currency that's best suited for which lender. How much deposit do I need? So this gets a little bit more confusing because this also depends on what currency you're currently being paid at. So, some lenders will only allow you to purchase a property and doesn't allow you to refinance. For example, as an investment, most lenders actually require you to have anywhere between 30 to 40% deposit. So really, you can only borrow around 60 to 70% LVR of the purchase price. While as an owner-occupier, you can actually purchase up to 80% of the purchase price, right? So really, you only need around 20%. But some banks, like I said to you before, it's capped at 70%. So let's just say in between 20 and 30% deposit is what you need as an owner-occupier. So everyone, this is just a quick overview and a basic understanding on how an expat loan works, because we do have a lot of expat borrowers and investors that want to get back into the Australian property market. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a like, this channel follow. Thanks for joining me on another episode of the Mortgage Chat, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.